girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit with cars. Get my coin and swipe that bitch, and now the spirit to charge. Making moves and being on bitches, I be really much. I got hands for a hoe, I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance, nigga. No, I keep saying free love folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down. Soon as I land on them folks. I'm fresh. Don't follow the rules, I'm broke. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. I'm stand up, bitch, like head. You a bum ass bitch, you next. Don't stall me, bitch, I'm pet. Line in the bitch up, I'm red. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds certain, and all these members certitude. Smiling in my nigga, ho, knock out all your 30 toenails. C8 doors, open up for me. Hear the engine roar, switch to sport. I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important. It came with a drum, yeah, that's my favorite gun. Asked if he my only nigga, I said no, but you my favorite one. Nah, yeah, Reds bitch, nigga, I'm one-on-one. Nah, I can't make you mine, but I can make you come. Freak up in the sheets, in them streets, baby, I'm a thug. I just threw 10,000 something ones in this fucking club. I'm popping it so hard, cause I ain't used to shit. These niggas ain't got no type, they want a stupid bitch.
everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNICE. So you guys, today I'm doing a review for UNICE hair. I got another bomb unit from Amazon, okay? Because I know a lot of us, you know, we shop on Amazon. I don't know about like right now because you know like stuff is going on. But anyway, other than that, okay, the girlies be shopping on Amazon, but I know a lot of girls like sleep on like Amazon units, so I definitely love bringing these to you guys because they have some really good quality units. Like some of my favorite units have actually come from Amazon and specifically from the UNICE hair store. So definitely had to share this one with you guys. This one is a little bit different from some of the other ones that I have reviewed, although this is my signature look. This unit is a water wave unit, you guys, and it is a glueless unit, okay? You don't have to use any product to adhere this unit, and it is a 7x5 closure unit. And I absolutely love this wig specifically because it already came with everything done, and not only that, it even came with baby hair. So if you're somebody that loves baby hair but you don't know how to do it yourself, this one comes with it already done for you. It's a time saver and it's actually really affordable. On the website right now, this is going for $220 for the 24 inch, but they do have some other lengths available as well. But 24 is the longest length that they currently have right now. And they also offer free shipping, so you don't even have to pay for shipping, okay? And if you have an Amazon Prime account, you guys know that's gonna come to you like super fast. So if you need this for a special event, if you're going on vacation, if you got a birthday coming up, it'll definitely get to you very quick, so we love that. And of course, I want to talk about the amazing lace on this unit. I love the lace, and I love the fact that they actually bleach the knots for you. I cannot tell you the last time that I actually bleached a unit. I would say that it's been over 6 months since I actually had to bleach the knots in the unit, because a lot of these companies are doing everything for you, so it saves you a lot of money, because for a bucket of bleach and developer, you're looking at a little bit over $30. That is amazing to be saving that amount of money, because I do this so often. I would have to, like, you know, before I used to go through buckets of like, you know, BW2 bleach and developer and all of that, and sometimes people had a hard time bleaching their units. They would over bleach it, or they would bleach the knots and then you could still see knots and all of that. Well, you don't have to worry about anything like that with a unit like this. And I'm someone who like does this, and even I would have that happen to me sometimes, because I know some people are like, how do you like make sure it's thick enough, or is it too watery? Like, you don't have to worry about none of that because it's done for you. The other great thing about it is that the hairline is pre-plucked as well, so if you don't know how to pluck a hairline, it's done for you. So this is just beginner friendly, and it's also a time saver for all of my girls out there who just need something that they can put on and go. And this is definitely a perfect everyday unit, because you don't even have to worry about sitting there for hours flat ironing your hair or curling it or crimping it, because this is a beautiful water wave texture. And as you guys saw, I didn't even like drench this hair in like water. I just sprayed a little bit of water on it and that's it. And this is the natural curl pattern in the hair. I don't have like any curly hair products or anything in it. I don't even have any foaming mousse in it, like nothing. And it just looks so good. Of course, we have to talk about the parting space on this unit. Like I said, this is a 7x5 lace closure unit, and look how deep our part goes. It goes back so deep. And I did put some concealer in my part, as you guys saw. I just used this angled eyeliner brush and of course some LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. And this is just like a must. Anytime I install a unit, like I have to put, you know, I have to enhance my part, okay? Because sometimes you can see it, but I feel like the concealer just helps it pop out just so much more, and it just looks a lot better. This hair doesn't have any smell to it, and it's not like shedding all over the place either, so we love that. And because of this texture, because it is a looser texture, you're not gonna have to worry so much about like tangling and shedding. When it is like a tighter texture, like a Jerry curly texture or a kinky curly texture, usually those tend to actually like start to shed on you a little bit more. So that's why water wave is my favorite texture out of all the textures. I love a good water wave unit that is just like chef's kiss, okay? But I am gonna come up a little bit closer so we can get into, you know, what it's really giving, because I did a lot of talking about, you know, the hairline and everything, but I need to show you guys like up close and personal what it's really giving. This is what it's giving up close and personal. Like I said, everything is done for you. It has bleach knots, it's pre-plucked, and it comes with the baby hairs already. So if you don't know how to do baby hairs, no worries, it's done for you. And it's so sleek. All I did was just use a little bit of the Got to Be Glued just to like slick everything back, but it's optional. You don't have to do that, and it just looks so much better. And like I said, it's 7 by 5, so this is a parting space in the back, and then I showed you guys in the front. The tracks start like right around here, so you get all of this space in the front. You get a nice amount of space. Now the other special thing about this unit, it has the elastic pull strap in the back. Okay, so I'll pull all my hair to the side, but this is the strap, and then I have the little pull part right here. So I pulled it down. You guys see that little button looking like thing? You just pull that and you pull the rest of it, and that's how you tighten it in the back. And then after you have like this long like strand or whatever, you just like tuck it underneath your unit, and it's nice and snug. Like you don't have to worry about the unit like shifting at all, and it just gives you like the perfect fit. I love that feature about it, and it's not uncomfortable either, which is important, especially when it's in like the back of your head, especially if you're gonna have like 3 different straps like literally pulling on your unit. It just has a nice snug fit, and I really like that about it. I didn't glue this part down, but I do have, you see, so you can like put your comb underneath there. Okay, I did not have to glue like that part down, but I did like put a little bit of gel on my baby hair, so it's gonna be stuck right there. I don't want to like move that around too much, but yeah, this is a really bomb unit, especially for it to be like straight out of the box with nothing added to it. No curl creams or anything like that is added to the hair. It's just bomb, like right out of the box. Love that about it. And like I said, you guys, this is a beautiful Amazon unit. Okay, I've been trying to give you guys like a little bit of like, you know, I've just been trying to give you guys like different options. And the great part about this unit is that it actually comes in multiple colors. So if you don't want it in like this jet black color, they also have it in burgundy. They have like a highlight one. They have like this blonde, like ash blonde version of this as well, and it's the same texture. So they have a couple of different colors. I would definitely say check the other colors out as well and give this unit a try. You guys know this is definitely my type of vibe. I love units like this. It's literally my fave, and it just looks so good and natural, and I just have no complaints about it whatsoever. But it also has the adjustable straps in the back, and it has the adjustable elastic band as well. So you get 3 different straps in this unit, giving you the most security that you can possibly need, and that also allows you to do a glueless install, so you don't have to worry about using like lace front glue or even using like a gel or a hairspray. You literally can just pop this unit on, take it off and go. It's really optional for you. If you want to use those things, you can, but it's really not necessary. As you guys can see, I didn't use anything like that, and my unit just came out so perfect. Like I really love this hair, and mind you, like I said, this is coming from Amazon, you guys. Okay, so I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor once again, UNICE Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. As you guys saw, it was so quick and easy to install, so this isn't going to be a long video. If you're interested in it, I will leave a link down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.